Welcome to my channel. It's called My Take on How To, and today we're making a geode coaster. And as you can see, I started out with laying some silver leaf around the edge, and here I'm getting started with my glitter and mixed up the resin. So I have clear resin. I poured around the rim where you see the glitter, and then I started with some purple mixture and put in my white as well. I have to apologize for the format. My camera decided to shoot in upright. Well, next time will be better. So anyways, I had to several times do some re-pour, but all in all, I think it worked. Welcome back to the demolding. Still a little bit soft, so it has to cure once I got it apart. All in all, looks pretty nice. Happy with it. Big surprise is how it looks on the other side. Sometimes one side is definitely nicer than the other. Yeah, and oh wow, it's a little bit loud, but I like it. Beautiful. I love it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. I'll go clean it up. Thanks for coming.